Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another plan with me. This week I am planning for the week of April 25th through May 1st. And this is my Erin Condren hourly planner. I am using some stickers that I created. I'm finding that I like this shade of blue. So I'm going to use these stickers here. And go back here. I was trying to see if I had another spread with something similar, but I don't think I do. So, all right, so go ahead and put down my dates, dots. Time is going by so fast. It's absolutely crazy. We are about to be in May at the end of this week. So, update on my mom. She's doing great. She has rehab twice a week for her knee. And the physical therapist says she is doing an amazing job. All right. So we are grateful for that. All right, go ahead and put down my date covers. I didn't use my removable stickers this time, so I got to be careful with laying things down. So this is going to be more like if it's not straight, oh well, because if I pull it up, it's going to tear the page. This has a sewing theme. It has some dress forms on the washi. Thought that was super cute. I got the digital paper from Creative Fabrica, and I just used that to create the washi and some of the boxes that I have. Yeah, I gotta be careful once I lay this down. I cannot pull it back up. All right, go ahead and put my washi down for my weekend banner. And then go ahead and put my weekend down. I bought some printable stickers. I did a sticker haul. I recorded a sticker haul. I haven't posted it yet, but I will soon. So hopefully I can start doing something a little different in my planner. I pretty much do the same thing every week. So I think these printable stickers that I bought will help me to kind of do something else. Maybe. All right, that's for my online job that I do. These, some trackers. Yeah, I'm really loving this color. just do a little bit more experimenting. We'll see how it goes. If it were up to me, I probably would put black, white, and purple. Because I love purple as well. Purple is one color that I love. So, putting my water trackers on here. I did download a water app that sends me a message about every 2 hours and tells me to drink water. So that's been very helpful. Friday the 29th. Put down my work stickers. Fridays I work 9 to 2. Thursdays I work 1 to 6. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 12 to 6. All right. So I didn't do a doll this week, but that's okay. Put down my script stickers. It's for my online job here. Reading and journaling. So I think I told y'all about I listened to the audiobook app Scribd, and I just finished listening to a Fear Street novel. Now, I never got into Fear Street. I don't know if I knew anything about it when I was a teenager, but when Netflix did the Fear Street trilogy, I went and looked for some books on the audiobook app, and they have a couple of them on there. I have about 5 or 6 on there, and I just finished this one. I think is Return to Fear Street, You May Now Kill the Bride. It was so good. I was on the edge of my seat listening to that book, and I got down to the last couple of chapters, and it seemed like it took them so long to get to the point, but I was walking. I usually do a 30-minute walk. Oh well, I messed that up. I made some boxes. But oh well. Or maybe I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll see in a minute. Anyway, we got a meeting here on this day. So anyway, I usually walk 30 minutes, and I was so into the book, I just kept walking, and I ended up walking like 45 minutes until the end of the book. It was that good. I did not think that I would be so into that book like that. My chair is making noise. So when it starts to get warmer, like early in the day, I'll start walking earlier in the day, like maybe 8 o'clock instead of 10. But around the 10 o'clock hour where it starts to warm up a bit more. Fridays, I will more than likely walk in the afternoon when I get off, unless I have errands to run. Or let me just move it to Saturday morning. That way. Because Friday, if I have errands to run, I get my activity minutes in. Then I have to do 150 minutes of activity a week. And Friday is when I run my errands, and I usually get some good activity in. That's for my course that I take. Let's see, what else? Payday is, let's see. Payday is on so it's the 30th, so it'll be here on the 29th, since the 30th is a Saturday. I see that I'm missing a couple of things on this sheet. I didn't make any doodads, checklist, or anything, but that's okay. Let's see. So, an update on me. I had my MRI done. I can't remember what I've told you and what I haven't told you. But I have my MRI done. And I have to have surgery. So bah humbug on that. But it's okay. It's going to be a very intensive surgery, but I still have to meet with a surgeon and also an endometriosis specialist. I have endometriosis, and it is very advanced, so much so that it has gone into my colon. So but I'll know more when I see the surgeon and the other doctor. So I have a friend coming into town here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see him here or here. So, I'm not going to put anything on those days yet. Let's see. I'll do laundry. I'll do grocery shopping. I do want to get a little bit of sewing done. So, not sure if I'll get any done here. Like I said, I don't know when I'm seeing my friend on this day or that day. So, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I am very, very nervous about the surgery. Don't want to have it, but such is life. Can't really do anything about it now. But I do want to feel better, so there's that. So I made myself some stickers, some decorative boxes. So see if I can add these. Let's spruce up the joint a little bit. I like it. They are pretty cute. So I think that's that. Not anything different really going on for the week. Besides my friend coming into town, but other than that, I think my week is pretty much steady the same. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.